Okay, in this video I'm going to quickly take you through the tools of Hotglue. So here we are in our editing environment. If you click once on a blank space, you get your first tool set. First tool is a text object, which is pretty much a text box. Can hold text or JavaScript or other coding. Standard formatting options. Next tool is upload an image or upload a file, which is what you would use to upload an image onto your site. Third would be embed another web page, which is pretty cool. You can embed pretty much any website you want, and it just places it as an iframe that you can move around, resize, or whatever. And your last tool is embed the YouTube video, or a Vimeo video, which is just a copy-paste job. Yeah. If you double click, you get your second set of tools. Your first tool on here would be change the page title, which is what appears in your title bar at the top there. The second tool is change the URL, which you should be careful with in case you have other objects that link to this page. The third is make this the start page, so when you go to your the domain, this is the first page that comes up, the index. Next tool is the background color, which I won't do because I have an image. This one will be create a new page, delete a page, upload a background image. This one's pretty interesting. It's toggling between fixed or scroll on the background image. So now it'll be on scroll, so it scrolls with the page. Now it'll be on fixed, so it stays in place and just repeats below. Adjust background image selection. If you click and drag, you can take the background with you. Okay, put that back. This one's pretty useful. List all pages, helps you get around your site. You can edit your page from here. You can copy it, duplicate it. You can rename it, delete it, and make it the start page. So we'll go back to work. The next tool is add or edit custom code, which is if you want to add CSS or JavaScript or anything else. Just be careful with that. This is a very interesting tool. It's called compare revisions, and since Hotglue doesn't actually have an undo option, I'm guessing the servers take snapshots of your site as you work on it, so you can go back pretty far and then just revert to it. It's like a time machine sort of thing. I'm not going to do that. To the future. Yeah, back to editing mode. And your last tool is a grid, which if you click and drag, you can resize it. This will help to get your layout in place. And if you click it, it goes away. Now let's move on to some object tools. Let's just take this image, click it once, and the object tools come up. The first one is clone object, so it duplicates it. Next tool is change the transparency, so if you click and drag, you can make it more opaque, less opaque, and then click it to reset. The object order, so you can send it backward or into the foreground or the background. This one flips it vertically, then horizontally, then must mirror it, and then back to normal. This, if you want to make it a link to another site or another page. This is to get the name of this object if you need to refer to it in code or for any reason. This is a bit of a dangerous one. It makes it appear on all pages in the same place. So be careful with that one. Well, it's good for the title or the nav bar. This one locks it, so you can't move it or delete it, and just unlock. This is delete. So delete the object. This one's pretty interesting. Change the image tiling. So let's say we take this and we expand it, it tiles it to the size of your, any size you want really. And then you click it, it takes it off, puts it back on. This is a really useful tool. It resets the image size. So if you resize something like I have now, just press that and it puts it back to normal. Here's the change image selection. Pretty much just moves it around inside the object bounds. Click it, resets, and this is your download of the original file.